Are you in search of a laptop that is perfect for both work and play? Then look no further than the HP Pavilion 15. With its 12th generation Intel Core i7-1255U processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 512 gig solid state drive, well, this laptop is equipped with power and speed that you need to handle demanding tasks with ease. With its 15.6-inch full HD display and Windows 11 Pro operating system, you'll enjoy a visually stunning experience whether you're working on a project or watching a movie. Upgrade your computing game today with the HP Pavilion 15 laptop. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the power button here. We'll watch this puppy fire up. Yeah. I love my HP 15 laptop. It's the perfect companion for all my adventures, both at work and play. My favorite way to use it is when I hit the road for a weekend getaway. I pack up my laptop and a few changes of clothes and head to a cozy cabin in the mountains. Once I arrive, I set up my laptop on the kitchen table to get to work. With the 12th generation Intel Core i7-1255U processor, my laptop easily handles multiple applications at once, allowing me to work efficiently and get ahead of my to-do list. The 16 gigs of RAM and the 512 gig solid-state drive ensure that I am set to go and my laptop runs smoothly, and even if I have a bunch of programs open, it's still going to work just great. Well, here it goes. It's going to start up Windows. It's going to start asking me a bunch of questions like where I live and all that kind of stuff. But in conclusion, I'm going to say that the HP Pavilion 15 laptop is a fantastic choice for anyone in need of a reliable and powerful device. Like I said, with its 12th generation Intel Core i7 and all that RAM memory and all that solid state drive, this laptop is capable of handling demanding tasks in ease, making it a great choice for professionals and students alike. I think it's definitely a good choice if you're looking for a laptop on the go with tons of power.